Let's learn our ABCs. Ready? Let's go! A is for apple. A, apple. A is for apple. A, apple. B is for ball. B, ball. B is for ball. B, ball. C is for cat. C, cat. C is for cat. C, cat. D is for dog. D, dog. D is for dog. D, dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. E is for elephant. E, elephant. A, B, C, D, E. Say it with me. A, B, C, D, E. Yay, yay, yay. F is for fish. F, fish. F is for fish. F, fish. G is for goat. G, goat. G is for goat. G, goat. H is for hat. H, hat. H is for hat. H, hat. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. J is for juice. J, juice. J is for juice. J, juice. F, G, H, I, J. Clap with me. F, G, H, I, J. Yay, yay, yay. K is for kite. K, kite. K is for kite. K, kite. L is for lion. L, lion. L is for lion. L, lion. M is for monkey. M, monkey. M is for monkey. M, monkey. N is for nest. N, nest. N is for nest. N, nest. O is for orange. O, orange. O is for orange. O, orange. K, L, M, N, O. Sing it slow. K, L, M, N, O. Yay, yay, yay. P is for parrot. P, parrot. P is for parrot. P, parrot. Q is for queen. Q, queen. Q is for queen. Q, queen. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. S is for sun. S, sun. S is for sun. S, sun. T is for tiger. T, tiger. T is for tiger. T, tiger. P, Q, R, S, T. Come with me. P, Q, R, S, T. Yay, yay, yay. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. V is for van. V, van. V is for van. V, van. W is for watch. W, watch. W, watch. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yak. Y, yak. Y is for yak. Y, yak. U, V, W, X, Y. Reach the sky. U, V, W, X, Y. Yay, yay, yay. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We learned our ABC. Great job, everyone. You're amazing. See you next time. Chip, what's hiding here? Let's find out. Come on, cheer! Peekaboo, what do I see? Something red hiding from me. One. Red apple. Pop, here it is. Count with me. Peekaboo, what do I see? Something orange hiding 2 by 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oranges. Here they are. Count with me. Peekaboo, what do I see? Something yellow hiding 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yellow banana, banana. Here they are. Count with me. Can you count them? Yes, you can. Clap your hands now. Come on, fan. Peekaboo, what do I see? Something orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Orange, mango, mango. Here they are. Count with me. Peekaboo, what do I see? Something purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purple grapes, purple grapes. Here they are. Count with me. Apple, orange, banana too. Mango, grapes, we counted true. 1 to 5, we sing along. Come and clap. Sing the song. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time.
Hi everyone! Thanks for watching! Subscribe now!
Sea animals.
Which animal is this?
Dolphin.
Which animal is this?
Whale.
Which animal is this?
Turtle.
Which animal is this?
Crab.
Which animal is this?
Lobster.
Which animal is this?
Clownfish.
Which animal is this?
Goldfish. Thank you for watching.